kids learn about coronavirus? Okay, if you want to write your name up top, go ahead. We're going to start reading here. A TV special can help kids learn about the coronavirus. The TV special is on TV on March 30th. The TV special is on the Nickelodeon TV channel. Kids may be confused or scared about the coronavirus. The TV special can help them feel less scared. Okay, we're going to turn the page. Okay, we're on page 2. The TV special will include doctors and kids. It will include popular actors and singers too. Doctors will talk about how to be healthy. Kids will ask questions about the coronavirus. Adults on the TV special will answer the questions. All right, so we're going to take our quiz. We're going to turn the page. If you have this printed, I want you to write your name right at the top. Okay, we're going to read the questions. What can help kids learn about the coronavirus? Play, movie, or TV special? Choose one. Okay, number 2. Who will talk about how to be healthy? Doctors, astronauts, lawyers, or astronauts? Which one? When is the TV special on TV? March 30th, May 29th, or December 10th? Which one? All right, we're going to go over our answers. What can help kids learn about the coronavirus? A TV special.
TV special.
Good job. Okay, number 2. Who will talk about how to be healthy? Doctors.
Doctors.
Okay, and then when is the TV special on TV? March 30th.
March 30th.
Good job. If you got all 3 right, you got 100. Okay, so we just learned about the special, and it was on March 30th. So that already happened. But what I did was I went on YouTube, and I looked it up, and you can do the same thing. So you can go onto YouTube and search Nickelodeon coronavirus, and it should come up. We're going to watch the first 5 minutes together, but then you can look it up and watch it with your parents or by yourself. Okay.
The whole world is dealing with coronavirus, but a lot of us still have a lot of questions. Well, we've got you covered right here. It's Kids Together, the Nickelodeon Town Hall. We've got host Kristen Bell, bringing together real kids to get answers, with a little help from Keenan Thompson, Kel Mitchell, Sierra and Russell Wilson, Charlie D'Amelio, David Dobrik, Kevin Hart, Ellen DeGeneres, DJ Khaled, John Cena, Millie Bobby Brown, Young Dylan, Noah Centineo, Ninja, Jojo Siwa, Serena Williams, Joshua Bassett, Ken Jeong, Anthony Anderson, and many more, featuring a performance by Alicia Keys. And now here's our host, Kristen Bell.
Welcome to Kids Together, the Nickelodeon Town Hall. I am Kristen Bell. What we're here to do over the next hour is to create a space for kids to have a conversation about the coronavirus pandemic. We want to help kids understand what's going on, find a place to talk about it, but also provide some much-needed distraction. Now, all of you are at home. You're missing school, your friends, your birthdays, your tryouts, and that is a huge bummer. We've all heard a lot of stuff in the news and online, and some of it's true, and some of it isn't. We're going to sort through all of it today. It's a stressful time for everyone, but here's something I know about kids. Kids are strong. Kids know how to look on the bright side, and kids know the only way to get through tough times is by doing it together. Like everything we do here at Nickelodeon, this is for the kids.
Coronavirus. How long is it going to be till we can go back to our school and play with our friends?
Why it takes 2 weeks for the symptoms to show up.
Why is it affecting so many people around the world? How much time can you get the coronavirus?
My question is,
I'm wondering. My question is. What are they going to say? What is the coronavirus anyway?
Okay, guys, let's start with the basics. Joining us right now is the former Surgeon General of the United States, Dr. Vivek Murthy, who is here to take some questions and break it all down for us. Thank you so much for being here, Doc.
Really glad to be with you, Kristen.
And we also have Desi. Zoe's here as well. Hi, Zoe.
hi.
So we want to use this time basically for you guys to be able to ask Dr. Murthy some questions. Desi, why don't you start?
Can you explain to us what exactly is coronavirus?
You might know that a virus is an organism that can get inside your body and make you sick. And if you've ever had a cold, then that means you've had a virus before.
Parents have been calling it COVID-19. Is that correct?
That's right. And what COVID-19 stands for is coronavirus, infectious disease, and the 19 stands for the year 2019, which is when the virus was discovered.
So, could an animal like the bat or the pangolin, could that have been the start of coronavirus? And if so, how?
Now, it seems that the COVID-19 virus probably started in bats. There may have been another organism that it jumped to before it went to humans, and it may have been the pangolin, but we don't know that for sure.
What are some of the symptoms of COVID-19?
If you have COVID-19, most people have a fever, they can have a cough, and they can also feel achy and really, really tired. Sometimes you can feel that way when you have the flu. But what's really important to remember is that COVID-19 it seems to spread a lot more easily than the flu, and it seems to be more dangerous as well.
Let's hope we don't get it.
Yes, absolutely. What can we do to not get it? The way this virus spreads, when you cough or when you sneeze, a little bit of fluid will come out, of your body, and that fluid can contain the virus. That fluid can spray, and it can get on your hand, the table, it can get on your phone, and you may not see
This is
anything.
really gross.
Disgusting.
Does that happen all the time?
Yes.
I know a lot of people are saying that kids can't get it.
So that's not entirely true. What is true is that the people who get the most sick from COVID-19 are people who are older. It's really important that we think about protecting everybody, because even if most kids don't get sick, some kids will. And even if you don't get sick, you can carry the virus and transmit it to somebody else. This is why we should be washing our hands all the time.
I'm writing it down. I'm going to put this on my mirror so I start to remember, because I'm very guilty. Do you guys always touch your face as much as I do?
Yeah, people tell me to touch my face. I was touching my face and I'm like, oh no, why am I scratching it?
So what do you do if you have to itch your face? I mean, obviously this is out of the question.
Go like
Right? That's canceled.
You probably have heard of that people are being asked to do now. There's something called social distancing. When people say social distancing, they're talking about increasing the space between you and other people. When you go to a concert, for example, you're with a lot of people and you're all crowded together. Social distancing is the opposite of that.
stay away from my man! Just get like a yardstick.
Yeah,
I feel like a lot of people are going to get good at math and they'll know exactly what 6 feet is.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you the things I'm going to do now after this learning session. Picking your nose is officially canceled.
Should have
I'm
been.
going to carry around some tissues and some wipes or some hand sanitizer, and I'm going to wash my hands a whole lot more. Thank you so much for joining us today, you guys. Doctor, I think we're going to have you hang around. But kids, thank you so much for joining us, and we loved your questions, and I hope you all have a great day.
Thank you. You
Thanks,
too.
guys.
Okay, Mr. SquarePants.
All right, guys.
A good employee
So
always-
you can watch the rest of that on YouTube. All you have to do is type in YouTube and then Nickelodeon coronavirus will be the first thing to come up. All right, good work today, guys.